There are about 100 million crickets in this room. Here they live up their life freely, until they are transformed into food. All of these crickets will be milled into a fine powder that can be used like flour. These flour is used in various products such as protein bars, pasta, noodles, cereals, and for baking. Even though it may seem like a strange choice for food, crickets actually contain more protein than beef, without any of the environmental damage. This rectangular pen can house 1 million crickets each. Before cultivate the crickets, these pens need to be sterilized to reduce the presence of pathogens and other unwanted microorganisms. Using egg crates for cricket housing is a common and practical method in cricket farming. Egg crates are arranged in the enclosure, providing a structured and secure environment for crickets with suitable hiding spots. Then, the crickets are introduced into the enclosure. The purpose of the housing is to give the crickets somewhere they live, and so generally they are resting inside the egg crates. They'll come out, have a drink of water, have some food, and then go back down to rest again. Crickets are not picky eaters. They enjoy a diet of grains, vegetables, and commercial cricket feed. Farmers will usually mix commercial crickets' feed with grain to feed them. Feeding is easy. Just put the feed onto a tray and they will come and eat. For breeding process, all they need is a mixture of soil and coconut coir in a container. And with proper diet and good source of water, the crickets will start to lay eggs in the soil. Each container contains thousands of small white eggs. Cricket eggs typically hatch within 7 to 14 days under optimal conditions, and tiny cricket nymphs start to emerge from the eggs. Adult crickets are typically recognizable by their larger size, fully developed wings in males, and ovipositors in females. For the harvest, farmers simply tap the egg crates to collect the crickets into a container. These crickets are then weighted and packed before sale to the supplier. Harvesting crickets is not only a sustainable practice but also opens doors to various possibilities, from pet food to human consumption. These crickets will be dehydrated until they become crispy, before they are grounded in a high-powered blender to get a fine powder for packaging.